How to enable quick tap gestures on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable quick tap on Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. So to enable quick tap gesture on your Android, first locate your settings app and then open it up. After you're on your settings app, you'll need to scroll down and then tap on system. On your system, you will find something called gestures or search quick tap. If you don't find it, you can just go back here, search for gestures and tap on it. So there you can see for me the gestures feature is on special features, so I'll just head over there, and after that you'll need to find something called the quick tap. So you might have it, you might not have it. It depends on the device that you're on. So if you find a quick tap, you can tap on it. You'll just need to enable it, you need to turn it on. So simply tap on quick tap to start action, and then you will need to confirm it, and then you can choose the action that you want. So just choose what you want to do with the quick tap feature, and then you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.